ತಮ್ಮ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸರ್
ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಗಳಾದ ಬಳಿಕೆ ಸರ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಲು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. ಒಂಚೂರು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Square of first, square of 9 is 81. Square of 3 is 9. There is a rule that says the squares are taken minimum in a double digit, whereas we have single digit. To make it double digital, we have to take the 0 before that. Square of first, square of second. Is it clear? Now, one step over. So we have to leave the last one. Now, do the multiplication of these two. 9 3s are 27. Take that double. 50. 9 3s are 27. That's the double. 54. Now add this. Okay, this is the square of 93. Is it easy? Yes. Can you do the now square of 99? Who can do? Please come here. Yes, come on. Wow, super. Mostly guest of you all. Yes, come on. Just, I'm writing, just go and tell you that.
We have to do here 9 square and here 9 square, 81.
Wow, 1 minute. 81.
Here this as it is.
Yes, last should be left here.
Again we have to multiply.
1 2 9 9 the
81. Double do.
Double.
Yes. Sir.
Yes.
9. 16.
162.
160.
Double 19 81 is double.
160.
162.
Add.
Yes. Add this. 1
10.
10
8.
8.
9.
Wow, super. Take it here once again.
My name is Shambhavi Hukkeri.
Very good. Please your class.
I am studying in 6th A.
6th day. And your school name?
My school name is Swami Vivekananda International Public Schools, CBSE Tirda.
Wow, super. Very nice. How do you feel about these techniques?
Easy, sir.
Easy.
Very
Wow.
easy.
Thank you. Anyone boy can come here and answer it. Yes, please. One boy. Okay. Yes, come on. Yes. Here 82 it's square. Go on telling, I am writing here.
The square of 2
Yes. That's 4.
and keep 0
Wow, super nice.
and square of 8 64
Wow, super.
here
Yes.
keep 0
No. Left. Yes. Next.
and multiply this two number
8 to the 16.
16
16 is double
32
32. Wow, super.
and
Very
add
nice. Yes. 4
2
2
7
7
6
6. Wow, super. Your good name. Take it.
My name is Prasan Malgami.
Yes, class.
8th A.
Good. School name?
My school name is Swami Vivekananda International Public School, Teradal.
Good, good. How do you feel about these techniques?
Easy.
Easier. Okay, thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Yes. ಈಗ this is in the form of 5, that if any number is divided, whatever it may be, small, medium or big and biggest, if any number is divided by 5, then Vedic says make the given number double. Make it double. That's 7 double 14. 4. Carry on 1. Once double plus 1. Yes, this is 3. 4. 12. 6 plus 1. 8. We have made it double. Is it clear? Now, if we have 2 digits here, 2 digits, then by leaving 2 digits, take the decimal. Okay, this is answer. Yeah, this is answer. Is it easier or tough? Yes. Marare, maths ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೇ ನೈಟ್ ಕೂತ್ರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.